saw it though. All right. You did see it, Scotty?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
I said, whoa.
Whoa.
Let's see if we can get any more over here.
I want to turn on Paseo del Oro.
Yeah.
Or Paseo West Park. Oh my god.
That's been a long time.
Nope, I just went off again. I caught it out of the corner of my eye.
Oh.
Ooh. Our laughs in our family on video are gonna be hilarious.
Oh, holy crap, I got that one.
I know, all I saw was the street lights, so I thought I was, oh shit. Like the street light was like right in my eye.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I did. I see that.
Okay.
I saw it.
Oh, little one.
Heard it.
Oh, more little ones.
John and Renee and Eric and his wife are going to Knox Scary Farms tonight. I know, I was a little upset with them, but whatever. We're going on a road trip next week. When we get back, we'll be able to do a lot. We'll buy their Halloween costumes, and I'll probably come home with their... We'll buy their Halloween costumes next weekend, and then...
What's next weekend?
20th. Ooh, there we go.
Next weekend is next weekend.
I don't know what that means.
It means it's next week.
Next week doesn't mean...
7 days. Oh!
Ooh, that was a good one. You got that,
Yep.
right? All right. Those are really...